In a world of diminishing resources, electrical power shortages, rising costs, and slimmer profit margins, business is under pressure to innovate and integrate technologies to find the most cost-efficient solutions to their problems. Here at the America's Tower in Midtown Manhattan, management has enlisted the creative efforts of a consulting engineering firm, Rudox Engine and Equipment Company, Pritchard Brown, and Zenith Corporation to design, fabricate, and install an auxiliary power system which the company believes will give it a competitive edge in the city's tough office real estate market. The challenge? Add a virtually transparent system to an existing 50-story, 1 million square foot office tower, which can supply 6.5 megawatts of electrical power in a matter of seconds in the event of a loss of external utility power. Economic and practical limitations required the team to use the existing bus riser installed in the building and to incorporate 4 quiet 1.65 megawatt generators, a fuel system, and power control system into the building design without taking up any rentable space or diminishing the building's aesthetics. Conceptually, the system looks like this. Utility company power coming from the street enters the building through a switch to the building's power bus riser. Each floor is powered off the bus riser, and the utility meters the power of each building tenant. As designed, the auxiliary system monitors the power as it enters the building through a voltage sensing relay. In case of a power interruption, or on occasions when the power company asks for relief during peak use, the system opens the switch connecting the building to external power and starts up the building's auxiliary system. Power then flows from the 34th floor auxiliary plant through the building's existing power bus riser to each floor, bypassing the power company's meters. Elapsed time from interruption to auxiliary power takeover, 10 seconds, and it runs without noise, vibration, or other environmental problems to offend building tenants or the surrounding area. Monitoring the building's power sourcing and service from the mechanical room on the 48th floor is a specially designed Zenith computer system dubbed the SCADA control system. In addition to monitoring every detail of the auxiliary system's performance and output, SCADA can also be used to test the system on a regular basis without interruption to normal service. Key elements to the system include reliable Rudox generator sets featuring high-performance Mitsubishi engines and Newage generators, incorporation of the building's existing bus risers and an external utility power sensor, which prohibits the auxiliary system from engaging until the external utility connection is severed. The system's aesthetically pleasing but space-efficient enclosed power plant design uses an available roof on the 34th floor setback with no reduction of rentable floor space. In fact, the total area occupied by the generators and switchgear enclosure measures only 36 feet by 50 feet. And finally, the SCADA monitoring system. In order to meet the project's space, acoustic, and aesthetic specifications, the power plant was built entirely off-site. Pritchard Brown Corporation built the acoustical enclosure, and the entire system was assembled at the Rudox factory and 100% tested for the owner prior to shipment to the site. There, over the course of one Saturday, it was lifted to a 34th floor roof as 5 prefabricated units, 4 containing generators and 1 a computerized switching and control center. Each unit was set on a dunnage steel platform, which was constructed on-site to support the weight of the plant. The units were slid into place one at a time and were then joined and sealed to become a single enclosure with easy access between the system generators and control systems. Installation, checkout, and commissioning took only 1 month. In total, Rudox's design, fabrication, and installation took 8 months from start to successful final installation and commissioning. Coordinated engineering, programming, and fabrication enabled site construction and system installation to be completed with minimal interruption of the building's normal functions. Today, America's Tower stands among an exclusive but growing number of facilities and corporations across the country and around the world. Users of electrical power with a vital, strategic, or competitive need to insulate themselves from power interruption. Organizations who are now meeting those needs with auxiliary power systems custom designed, built, and installed by Rudox Engine and Equipment Company.